with industry expectations, and wherein we have been able to sign a MOU with EdBhoomi Learning Academy. And with this particular, we have got a resource person, Dr. Shikha Sharma, who have accepted our invitation.
I have realized that yes, I am frequently using up slide shares, right? I'm frequently clicking onto their website. I'm looking up their PPTs. So what they've done now is that they have come up with the thing that you need to subscribe now. Now subscription again, there is a click into it. Subscription, now they're telling me that you will be getting a 30 days subscription free of cost, but for that you need to really enter up your card details. Right now, card details means that you'll be providing up the details of your information of your card, and then only you'll be able to access just for the 30 days. Right, say for example, I have subscribed up for the same, and I have put it up my all details. Now what will happen after 30 days? 30 days, if I have to see the thing, then I need to really pay up for the same, right? Pay up. And now this is how the process of content is there in the market. Same example goes with the Times of India also, right? Earlier you used to access e-Times paper frequently, without free, without charging anything. But now again it has made a subscription kind of a thing, right? So this is how they make money, right? So my point was that. Now another thing which Amazon has really encashed upon is providing up convenience to its customer. Now what do we mean by convenience? Convenience is something wherein you're talking about 24 into 7 convenience. At night at 3 p.m., if you really want to order up something for your mother or for your beloved, then also you can really order it then and there only, at that point of time only. And this would have not be a possible case in terms of physical outlet, right? So, and another, Amazon has really created a amazing customer loyalty. Amazing customer loyalty. Now loyalty doesn't really comes at one click shot, right? Or one click point of time. It is really it's get developed over the period of time. Now for that, what Amazon did was that they uh, came up with the idea of product reviews over to their websites, right? Now some people would have asked Bezos at that time that why are you really keeping up product reviews onto your website? Because if people will give negative reviews to your product or services which you are offering onto your website, then it actually creates a negative impression about your website or product to which you're offering. But then Bezos says that why not? You need to really you know uh, exit the products which the customers are not really liking up. And another major fact over here is that you, being a marketer or a company, gets 80% of your sales from just 20% of your existing or loyal customers, right? And we also, go by this only product reviews. Whenever we are going to make a purchase of any product, what we do first? We go to Quora, right? Wherein people are giving up their opinions. We go to this Google. We go for product reviews. How many, say for example, you want to book up for a hotel for yourself, right? Then what you will be looking up is that you will be going up with reviews, that how people have given up reviews. Even if it is a minute thing, that would really create a negative impression of yours. That is why the role of the personal relationship has really become more important now, right? So this was again one of the major thing which Amazon was really onto. Then email marketing is what another thing which Amazon really captured on and encashed on, in terms that it has taken up is it asks you for signups, like as I told you, right? It asks you for signups wherein you are supposed to enter up your details. Now once you sign up, your email ID gets with the service provider or product provider or Amazon or any other, Myntra, Flipkart, right? And then they get to know about your email ID, your specification, what exactly you searched up, what exactly you order up in your last purchase. And the moment next time when you are logging up onto your Amazon, what ads, what category of ads will be, reflecting onto your web page is what in relation to what you have ordered earlier, right? Likewise, say for example, you have ordered for an ebook, right? So they'll be again depicting up or reflecting up the similar kind of a ebook of the same taste onto your web page. That they know that yes, earlier times you had really searched up for the same, and in future also there could be a probability that you will be ordering the same. Understood? Right? So this is another thing. And to email marketing, you can also go for remarketing or retargeting kind of a thing, right? So this is how the Amazon really encashed on to their philosophy of capturing value for their customers, right? I hope there is a clarity on it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So this is how we started up with capturing value with the Amazon. Now another thing which Amazon had really, now it is onto the practice of doing this. Likewise, it has really utilized this technological innovations in their products. You talk about Alexa, you talk about Echo Dot, you talk about e-reading books, e-books, right? Amazon Prime, by if you take up Amazon Prime, those who are very good into those who have very good interest into reading, they get e-books into that. Then you get home assistant devices for the same, you do voice searches, right? So this is how they encashed upon it. Another thing is, which is very important with the Amazon strategy, is that they encashed upon customer advocacy. Now what do we mean by customer advocacy? Whenever advocate, what does an advocate does? It really puts up your point of view towards the third party, right? Similar is the case with customer advocacy. Now there are customer advocates who are promoting and recommending product of your organization, those who have actually used those products and have a good reputation or good experience with the product, right? And capturing value, another thing, you can talk about payment method, because convenience, like as I said, convenience is what you are really providing to your customer, and the more convenience you're providing to your customer, they'll be there with you forever, right? So this is the Amazon strategy. Now evolution of digital marketing, how it has really came up in terms that more growth of digital thing has really came into picture, right? Now shift has really taken up. If we go by this Cisco statistics, it says that 66% of the population will be using the internet by 2023. So you can imagine the growth, 66% by 2023, next year only, right? And another reason that why there is a shift and growth of digital marketing is that mobile devices, right? And 1.6 network devices and connections per person by 2023. That means more than half of your population will be having up global connections or network connections, right? Then speed is again a factor. Earlier we used to work on 2G, 3G. Now the time has come of 5G. More speed to your search. Earlier we used to type the things. Now we are onto the thing, or speaking up. Voice search is there, wherein you are not really need to put up much of your efforts, and the things will be done just by way of speaking, right? Then speed has really gone up, and also what factor has led to the growth of this thing is that